Boris from Restless Off-Road here. In this video, we're going to be installing bolt-on rock sliders on a 2025 6th Gen Toyota 4Runner. Let's get to it. So here we have our 6th Gen 4Runner rock sliders. This option is just with the quarter plate. Fully bolt-on to frame. No rib nuts, none of that. Straight up bolts. Here's the quarter plate. It's going on this 4Runner. Alright, let's get to it. This is the hardware that we're going to be using for the rock sliders. These are 5'8" 5" by 5'8" bolts, lock washers, and nylon lock nuts. Right here. So the first thing Roger is going to do is take off the gas tank skid plate. That's going to make it easier for you guys to put the nuts on the bolts. So for this rig, you don't have to take the full skid plate off. You can just remove the 2 bolts that are on the frame. That way you can move it out of the way. And then you're going to remove the caps that are on the frame, all the way from the back all the way to the front. That way the rock slider has a flush mounting surface to mount to. Alright, and also those are going to be the holes you're going to be running the bolts through. Not all of them, but most of them. Alright, so we're gonna pick up the rock slider and put the mounting plate up against the frame. That way we can start running bolts through and the nuts and washers and so on and so forth. Cool. Alright, so for the back bolts, we're gonna put one in the front, which is gonna have a nylon locking nut. That's the very first bolt you're gonna put in. The next 3 bolts after that are gonna be towards the back. Those you're gonna use Loctite that we're gonna provide for you. Let's get on to the driver's side. For the driver's side, you're gonna get 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 5/8" bolts, and these are all going to be 5 inches. You're also going to get these 2 for these are 13mm bolts. They're threaded holes on the driver's side, so we utilize those to mount the rock slider. And these 5/8 bolts all use the thick washer and nylon locking nuts, so you're not gonna need any Loctite on this side. That's pretty much the installation for these rock sliders. Not complicated at all, just a little time consuming. The installation should take you about an hour. So this is the end results for the rock sliders right here. These have a 10-degree angle, quarter plate, fully bolt-on. That will conclude an installation video for the 6th Gen 4Runner. If you guys have any questions, visit restlessoffroad.com, or you can email us at restlessoffroad@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Till the next one.